This is one of my other square bodies I got. It's an 87 TBI. '57. Got the original AC Delco battery, hoses, everything, all original, untouched, unmolested. Has had one tune-up in its life. No farm truck. Somebody stole the TBI fuel pump relays. You can see over there. And as you can see, it's got the old, good old GM rust paint. Factory rust paint. Door's still open, beautiful. And as you can see, beautiful seat. Interior's typical heat. Truck has 51,000 original miles. Not even kidding. Fisher plow never used and abused. And all the original stuff. Somebody stole the radio. Everything. Rescuing the bar find with the auto body find from Plymouth Auto. With 70,000 original miles. Got her running. Tailgate, good bumper. Oh, so beautiful. Future LS. Registration. Absolutely unreal. Tried to move it yesterday, but no. Even arc brake still worked. Brake held pressure. There's no doubt that that's not 51,000 original miles on this good girl. Look, I mean, you can still read all the delay. And the wipers. I'll polish this right. Oh, this turd is going to shine. TBI is in good shape. You can see she never backfired. Wires are in good shape. I'll go through, Replace all our coolant temp sensors. Yeah, we'll probably leave the sending units on the back. But you can see, look at that. Untouched. It looks. Oh. No wires butchered by some backyard mechanic. Factory. Well, Fisher add-on. Somebody competently installed. Here. Flat tire setup. Even our tire irons and the crank arm. Still coolant in the system. And it's a car quest. Made in USA, so you know it's got to be older. But nothing leaked. Still paint on the frame. This truck is a true Subaru. It was Z-Bart. Got the coating on the firewall. Gave the hood a little white glove. Now it actually moves pretty decent. Really look at this side. Oh yeah. Great shape. Nice. I'm just going to clear coat this, pop the dents out, do the gay thing and save the patina. Right, Rock? Huh? What do you think, buddy? Save the patina? Give me 5 if you want to save it. Give me 5. We're going to do it? Yeah? Good boy. What about you? 5 to save it? You're 5. Oh boy. Love you boys. Alright, Dave. Here you go. Burb Files, New England. We're gonna get this running. See if we can get some ponies purring. Andrew Ash from Plymouth. Burb Files, New England. Here we go. Mechanic showed up. Frickin' frack. Back from Napa. Oh, sorry. Jake. Ezra. New England square body fucking enthusiasts. Yep. Because we take pride in our erections. Get some good old heart transplant juice. Little neuro center. Let her fire off just right. Go with genuine Napa parts. Yeah. Yeah, you got parts. Yeah, we gave us 43s. I don't know why they're not 45s. Oh, TS's though. That is a hotter plug. Oh, there you go, Junior. That's how you keep fucking spark plugs on right gap. Jackass.
Pre-gapping.
Yeah, pre-gapping. Drop them in their box. Oh, that's good for the fuel filter, jackass.
I think you should start that video over.
No, we're good. That's why they call editing, asshole. So, we're gonna fire out the plugs, change the oil, change the battery. No battery.
Oh, yeah.
In square body country, we
Hold back.
do an oil change with a different perspective. Work like gentlemen. If you have the tool,
Use it.
use it. So while we get the truck up in the air, we're going to fire that gas tank out. This one right here. I'm going to stick a bar up inside there and pop that dent. But we're going to do our oil change like a man. It's got an aluminum transfer case.
It's 208, that's why.
Oh, it's a 208. Yeah, it is a 208. Yeah, this little half-ton truck's gonna get a fucking second life. There's the freak right there. Master A-Tech, man. Let's do this. Here we are. Okay, guys. Just pulled our oil drain off for the first time.
Oil fill.
Or for oil fill, yeah. Look at that, no carbon. That's clean. Down that way, oh yeah. Oops, sorry for the shitty. That is clean as a whistle. I'll be surprised if these valve guides don't fucking leak. Look at how clean that valve is right there. What's that? That's an intake. Oh no, that's the exhaust valve right there, Jake. Look how clean that is. It's not even deteriorated. Oh yeah, there's 50,000 miles on this baby. Almost. Teamwork to get this motherfucker off, huh? There we go. Alright, this is coming off now. Go ahead, pull, G. Pull. Pull. Go ahead, pull. Keep pulling. It's moving. There it goes. Boom. We'll take this off now. See? Simple. A noose. Right around. And now back to the filter. And boom. Comes right off by hand. Some people wonder, how do you get a filter off that's stuck on? Before you ruin it, get your fucking regular belt off. And we rescued it. There you go. Alright. Pouring new lifeblood into the grill. That dent popped right out. You can actually see that's actually a shadow from the tree off in the distance. That dent popped right out. It's a little denty, but that's okay. Old Rusty looks good.
Yeah, I think we're on
Oh, Jesus. What's that? Oh, my. That's sexy ass Saturday. What is it? Side shot Saturday? Is that what they say?
Something like that.
Something like that. What we got? Fucking 5 of them chilling right here? 6! There's one. Old Black Betty. That's Me Too, which is Miss Elizabeth too. That's
Pearl.
Pearl.
Because of the white.
Yeah.
Rusty.
Rusty.
Frankensquare.
The Frankensquare. Then we got the neighbors out in the back out there, and then that's actually Miss Elizabeth 1 that I had when I was a 19-year-old kid, and I let my son drive it around when he was 17 and cracked the frame in 3 spots. So we made Me Too. So, move this way. Look at the inside of that. Yuck. Oh, you can see the baffle in there. Still got a bunch of gasoline in there. Let's see if it'll focus in further. No, but just from the looks of that, it don't look healthy. And that's some of the yummy. There you got 5 gallons of that. New tank, new sending unit, well, pump and sending unit. And we'll see ya. Let's see if she fires back up. Same thing this side, brand new brake pads, which is a good thing. It means that caliper sat closed in its own fluid. There's still fluid in the master. And then look at how clean that frame is. This is amazing. Look at how clean the fucking frame is.
Oh my god.
Dude, it is immaculate. The rust pin, the pin for the plow is rusty, but other than that, oh, look at the negative arch.
I know.
Stock though. They were negative arch stock.
Four-wheel drive's lowered.
Yep. Look, no travel to that. Look at that. Look at that. 2 inches of travel. But hey, it does the job. We'll fix that thing. I'll pop it out. Beautiful.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe down below.